Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to Varda's Cuisine. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. Today, I'm going to share the amazing recipe of a Shami Kabab without split chickpeas and without egg. You can make amazing Shami Kabab without Chana dal or split chickpeas. Here we have the simple ingredients: one sliced onion, some chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, ginger and garlic cloves. You can use a ginger garlic paste as well. Here we have a 250 gram of chicken. Add all the spices here, salt according to taste. Now mix all the ingredients very well and add 2 cups of water. Here I take the boneless chicken. Now time to add this into the pot. Chicken, 1 sliced onion, some green chilies chopped, cumin and coriander powder, salt according to taste. Now on medium flame, cover it with the lid and let it cook for at least 30 minutes so our chicken get tender, the boneless chicken. So use the boneless chicken to get the good texture of a Shami Kabab. Now blend it. Now here for binding, we're going to add 1 bread slice and blend it. Now you can see the texture of our mixture. It's very nice. So without the split chickpeas or without egg, you can make an amazing Shami Kabab. Here I take 1 small slice onion. Chop the onion, some green chilies and add it to the mixture. Combine very well. So mix it very well, and bread slice helps to make a binding. Now you can see our mixture is ready. Now apply the oil or water on your hands and start giving the shape of the patty or a Shami Kabab. So it's an easy recipe. Please follow this recipe. If you want to learn how to make a Shami Kabab with a split chickpeas Chana dal, you can also see my previous video. And there are many other amazing recipes. Please follow that and subscribe my channel as well. So here I'm giving the shape of a Shami Kabab. Okay, now it's from the side, just make 7 to 8 Shami Kababs. So it's a very quick and easy recipe that you can make with the free ingredients. No need to require many ingredients, just free ingredients that we have: the chicken, boneless chicken, onion, 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, salt according to taste, green chilies, and that's it, 2 cups of water. So you can see our amazing Shami Kabab are ready. Now take 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Heat the oil very well and now start frying the Shami Kabab. I like this part when it's frying. It gives very good aroma, and you can freeze that Shami Kabab as well. So you can see when it start changing color, just flip it and they are ready to eat. You can eat with like you can make the different sandwiches. So it's amazing and nice recipe. Please let me know in the comment, do you like my recipes? If yes, so follow my recipe and subscribe my channel.